Okay, so we're diving deep today, deep into the psychology, the brain stuff behind our grocery shopping
Oh, this is a good one.
and how to make those smarter choices at the store.
Yes. How to not walk out with like 5 bags of chips that you did not plan on getting.
Oh, tell me about it. We've all been there, right? You go in for like milk and eggs, you walk out with like a whole new pantry.
Yes, whole new pantry.
So that's what we're going to unpack today. We're going to look at why we sometimes stray from our list.
Yes.
And end up with all those extra impulse buys.
All the impulse buys, exactly.
And we have some interesting research, a source today, that talks about shopping while hungry and how that can like totally derail even like the best laid shopping plans.
Oh, for sure.
Have you ever, like, I know I have, but have you ever experienced that? You walk into the store hungry
Oh, yeah.
and you just get pulled, magnetically pulled.
You make a beeline for the snacks.
Yeah, like the snack aisle.
Yes.
Or the bakery.
Or the bakery or the
Yeah.
prepared food.
Oh, the prepared foods. Forget about the prepared foods.
That rotisserie chicken is calling your name.
It's calling my name and I'm answering.
Yes. So there's a scientific reason for that.
Okay, lay it on me.
Okay, so when you're hungry, your body, it releases this hormone. It's called ghrelin.
Ghrelin.
Ghrelin, yeah, it's like
It's kind of a funny word.
it is a funny word. It's like your brain's low battery signal, right?
Oh, low battery. I like that.
Yeah. So when your brain gets that signal,
Yeah.
it craves this quick energy boost,
Okay.
and it kind of pushes you towards foods that are high in sugar, fat, and salt.
Makes sense. Gives you the energy.
Yeah, like the quickest, fastest energy.
Yeah.
And so a lot of times those end up being the less nutritious, more processed options.
Yeah.
It's like your brain's trying to charge up
Okay.
using whatever outlet it can find.
Okay, I love that analogy, the outlet.
Right. Even if it's not the most reliable source.
Right. Right.
Exactly.
And it's interesting because I think that we hear processed foods,
Yeah.
and I'm not always sure I know what that means.
Oh, yeah. So processed foods are basically foods that have been altered from their natural state.
Okay.
So think about items with like added sugars,
Yeah.
unhealthy fats, or lots of artificial ingredients.
So things that are kind of prepackaged for convenience.
Exactly. Prepackaged, yeah, ready to go.
Ready to go. They're easy.
They might offer that quick energy fix that your brain is looking for,
Yeah.
but they lack the nutrients your body truly needs.
So it's kind of like a quick charge, but not like a full charge.
Not a full charge, not
Yeah.
sustainable.
Exactly.
So, it's not just about willpower.
Right.
It's not that you lack willpower.
Right.
It's understanding that there's this physiological response happening.
Yeah, it's our brain chemistry.
Your brain chemistry, yeah.
Yeah.
So understanding that can help you make more conscious choices.
Yeah. And so what are some strategies that we can use to kind of like combat that, to outsmart our ghrelin brain?
Yeah, so one really powerful strategy is to eat a healthy snack before you go to the store.
Oh, that makes sense. So you're not going in hungry.
Yeah, you're not going in on that low battery. You're going in with at least half a charge.
Half a charge.
So you're less likely to crave that quick fix from those processed foods.
Okay. Yeah. So what if like, I get it, like a pre-shopping snack, that makes sense.
Yeah,
But what if like you're in a rush or you just, forget?
right.
What are some other things that we can do?
Totally. So planning your meals for the week
Okay.
and making a list based on those meals, that can be so helpful.
Yeah.
Because then, you're not just wandering through the aisles,
Right. Yeah.
being tempted by all the displays.
I'm the worst at that. Like if there's an end of aisle display, that's like, it's like I'm drawn to it.
You're like, ooh, what's on sale? Oh, I need that.
And it's never on my list.
It's never on your list, right? But it looks good.
Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
So that's where I get caught up.
Yeah, so another good strategy for that is to maybe try online grocery ordering.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Because then you're not even exposed to all those displays.
That's true. And you can just like stick to your list.
You stick to your list and, it arrives. You
Yeah.
don't have to deal with the temptation.
Oh, that's a really good point.
Yeah.
Because I feel like sometimes even if I have a list and I go in, I still get derailed.
Oh, it's so easy to get derailed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess the main takeaway here is that like by understanding like why we're making these impulse choices, it helps us to like actually, be smarter about it.
Exactly.
It's not just like, oh, I just need more willpower. It's like there's actually things going on.
Yeah, it's about understanding that connection between hunger
Yeah.
and impulse buying.
Right.
And that can help you become a much more conscious shopper.
And I think that's like a really good point too, because it's not just about food,
Exactly.
right? Like it's about any kind of decision that we make when we're like maybe feeling emotional
Yeah.
or we're looking for, a quick fix.
Instant gratification.
Yeah, instant gratification, right.
Yeah.
So that same idea can apply to like so many different areas of our lives.
Absolutely. Like, think about it. How many times have you made a decision when you're feeling stressed out?
Oh, yeah.
Or you're feeling down
Totally.
and you reach for something that makes you feel good in the moment?
It's like that same brain chemistry stuff.
Exactly. It's like that same drive for that quick fix.
Yeah, that quick dopamine hit.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think that's a really good point to end on. That, this is about more than just our grocery list.
Mm-hmm.
It's about like understanding how our brain works.
Exactly.
So that we can make those better choices.
Yeah, absolutely.
In all areas of our lives.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for diving deep with us today.
Thank you for having me.
This was great. And for everyone listening,
Yeah.
think about where else in your life that might be playing out. That quick fix, instant gratification thing. Yeah, it's everywhere.
Food for thought.
Food for thought, literally.
Literally.
Yeah. All right.